First, DIY friendly. Just peel off the backing and install, no cement or tools required, making it easy for anyone to use. Second, waterproof and oil resistant. Kitchen walls are protected from oil stains and water spots, easily cleaned for long-lasting beauty. Third, multiple styles. White, blue, and other color options for fish scale mermaid gel tile to suit modern minimalist or ocean-themed kitchens. Fourth, ideal for renters. The removable design does not damage the walls, allowing for easy and personalized renovations. Direct message me to get free samples of fish scale mosaic backsplash wall tile.